In this video, we will learn how to insert a watermark in Microsoft Word. Watermarks are a great way to add branding, confidentiality notices, or visual elements behind the content of your document. To insert a default watermark, navigate to the Design tab. In the Page Background group, click on the Watermark button. Select a built-in watermark from the list. Word will automatically apply it behind the text on all pages. To create a custom watermark, click the Watermark button again. Select Custom Watermark from the drop-down menu. You'll now see the printed watermark window. Here you can choose between Text Watermark and Picture Watermark. For Text Watermark, select the Text Watermark option. Type your desired text in the text box. You can also customize the font, size, color, and layout. For Picture Watermark, select the Picture Watermark option. Click Select Picture to browse and upload an image from your device. For this example, we'll insert our The Knowledge Academy logo from the computer. In the printed watermark window, you can adjust the scale of the image. Enable or disable the washout option depending on whether you want the image to appear faded or in full color. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK to apply the watermark to your document. That's it, you've now added a watermark in Microsoft Word, whether it's from text or a custom image. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like. New to our channel? Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more tutorials to master Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.